Well, hello everyone. My name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Welcome to another quick and easy meal. Quick and Easy Meals is an open collaboration. It's hosted every Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the hosts are Simply Grace Lifestyle. The name of her other channel is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And myself, Jean Home Decor and More. We may have some other participants. If they are, they can join in on this collab. So today, as you can see, guys, I am sauteing some yellow pepper, orange pepper, and onion. And to that, I'm going to be adding some zucchini and squash. So keep watching. So I am doing this with one hand, guys. I just got finished doing another quick and easy meals where I made a dessert with Grand's biscuits and strawberries. And I just got finished making that. So I am making this veggie to accompany our chicken nuggets and french fries. Because I believe that, while that's quick and easy, we need some vegetables. So I'm going to add to this some Himalayan salt and pepper, and some Italian seasoning. And let me show you what else I add to mine, guys. Boom. Okay, if you want to zhuzh up your recipe, try some Liam Perrin's Worcestershire sauce. Did I say that right? Worcestershire sauce? So I'm going to add this, and once this gets just about done, then I'm going to add in some tomatoes. But I'm going to do that last because it doesn't take them long. But as you can see, I am doing this with one hand. So we're going to have some black pepper. Himalayan salt, Himalayan pink salt, and we're going to have a little Italian seasoning. Let me turn the light on. That looks better, doesn't it? So that's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Now also, let me turn this up a little bit. Sometimes I put just a little tad of blue bonnet in mine. So let me just do that right now. Keep watching. Okay, so when I said a little tad, that's a little tad right there, right? Okay, so let's go in with our seasonings. So we're going to add a little generous amount of Italian seasoning, a little pepper, oh, you know what else I'm going to add to this? I'm going to add some paprika, but let me do this Himalayan salt because I need 2 hands for that, then I'll be back. Keep watching. Alright, so I added my seasonings. So we give this a little toss. Now in the summertime, you can put your zucchini on the grill. So maybe we'll do that over the summer. Here's our paprika. So, we just put a little bit on. That kind of makes it, I kind of think paprika makes your dish, it makes it pretty. See how that makes that look pretty? And then when these cook down, then I'll add some tomato. Too early yet to put the tomato in. But anyway, so look guys, that's what we're looking like. Giving it another toss. I might turn it up just a bit. Meanwhile, let me just mention, please stop by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Simply Grace Lifestyle, and see what she has cooking up or baking up today for quick and easy meals. Let her know that Jean Home Decor and More sent you over. This pan didn't come with, it's a non-stick pan, of course, but it didn't come with a top. So I put a top on, and I'm going to just turn it down a bit just so these can steam through. Okay, so keep watching. Hi, baby. Okay, so guys, I've added in the tomato.
Wash your hands and see if you can sit on the potty.
Okay, guys, I've added in my tomato. And so this is pretty much the reveal. This is a nice veggie for a weeknight, quick and easy. Until the next one, you guys have a peaceful and safe rest of the week and weekend. Bye-bye.